Paal poli or milk puri is a simple milk-based sweet with puri made with rava or suji, deep fried and dunked in sweetened milk. Today let's see how to make this easy and simple dessert paal poli. Hi, this is Ambikashetty and I welcome you to this episode of Simple Indian Sweets. Firstly, we take about 15 almonds, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of saffron. And we are going to soak all of these in hot water for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we are going to transfer all of these into a grinding jar. Firstly, we add soaked cashew nuts, then soaked almonds, soaked poppy seeds along with the water, half cup of fresh and grated coconut, half cup of milk. We are going to grind this into a fine paste like this. Now we'll take 750 ml of full cream milk. We're going to boil the milk and then we are going to add soaked saffron. Saffron adds a nice flavor as well as color to this paal poli. We're going to stir it well and we'll continue to boil it on medium flame. For sweetness, we are going to add half cup of sugar. We can also add condensed milk instead of sugar. We are going to stir it and continue to boil on medium flame for another 5 minutes. And then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of pistachio, 1 teaspoon of almond and 1 teaspoon of cashew nuts, all finely chopped. And then we are also going to add the nuts and poppy seed paste that we had kept aside. We will give it a good stir and we will continue to boil it on medium flame. Because of the paste that we have added, milk starts to thicken slightly. We are not going to boil it until it completely thickens. And finally, we add about half teaspoon of cardamom powder. We are going to stir it well and turn off the flame. We'll allow this milk to cool completely. Meanwhile, to prepare the dough, we take 1/4 cup of suji, half cup of wheat flour or maida, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of ghee. We will mix it once and then we'll add water little at a time. And we're going to prepare a slightly stiff dough. We're going to knead the dough nicely and our dough is ready for puri. The dough has to be slightly stiff. Don't make it very soft. And then divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Apply oil over the rolling board. And now we are going to roll the dough. We'll give it a uniform thickness and we can make either small puris or roll it like a big chapati and then cut the puris like this. This will give a nice shape to the puris. The remaining portions can be used for making the puri again. So we'll take each of these puris and we'll deep fry them in hot oil. These puris will puff up as soon as we drop them in hot oil, but if you want to avoid puffing up, then you can just prick the puris using a fork and then drop them into the oil. The puris are now ready. We can serve it with the sweetened milk that we have already prepared. If you want it to be very chilled, then you can, once you prepare the milk, keep it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. In that time, you can prepare the puris and then serve those puris with chilled milk. So our paal poli or milk puri is ready to serve. We are going to garnish it with finely chopped pistachio. So our sweet and soft paal poli or milk puri is ready to serve. I hope you have liked this recipe and I'll be back with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye.